So we've got these five trains here. You've got Thomas, Percy, Gator, Percy and Thomas. Now, we've got Rosie.
Wait.
Rosie's going around the track.
She's done.
She's done. That's a few of them done now, isn't it?
And let's get some more.
You need some more, man. So you got Rosie's done the course. She's done the track. There you go. There we are.
Got some more.
Which one you got now?
Thomas.
Let me see. Show me. Oh, you got an old original Thomas.
Okay, now it's finished.
Oh, is he gonna? Oops.
Sorry, Toby.
Ah, you say sorry, baby.
Yeah. He's done.
He's done.
Toby.
Next one is Toby. Let's put Toby on. Oh no, you put Hero on.
Emily.
Oh, Emily, sorry. You see it darker then. Must be the shadow. Hello, Emily. Going all the way around the track. All the way around. Who's this? Who's the hand? Oh, it's Jude. And then do it the other way, because then they go down the track. I want to see him going down the hill. Go through the water.
No, it's stuck.
Just two. Oh no, they go this way.
This is slow. He's slow.
He is very
Is it slow?
He is a bit slow.
I'm done.
I'm done. So let's see how many we got then. Tell me which ones we've got.
8.
Right, we've got 8, have we? So we got, which one's this one?
Got 1.
Which one?
Toby.
Yep.
Thomas.
Yeah.
Thomas. Percy. I get Toby. Thomas.
Right, let's start again. I'll come through. Right, we got...
Toby.
Yeah.
Thomas. Percy. Gator. Thomas. Percy. Thomas. Rosie. Emily.
Wow, you know them all. Say hello.
And get some more engines.
You are a big fan. Bye, guys.